Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Marathi alphabets, Muyakshare or Varnamala. So let's see. This is our Marathi Varnamala or Marathi alphabets. In it there is a two parts, Swar and Vyanjane. Swar means vowels and Vyanjane means consonants. In Varnamala there are 14 Swar or vowels. Let's see. You can read all alphabets with the help of English phonics also. Let's see how to read. A, A, E, U, E, A, O, O, Aha. Next part is Vyanjane or consonants. There are 36 Vyanjane or consonants in Marathi alphabets. Let's see. K, K, G, 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 Ch, Ch, Z, Z, N, T, T, D, D, N, T, T, D, D, N, P, P, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, R, Ksh, Ny. Here you can see at the bottom of the alphabet there is a one slanting line. Just because of that is a incomplete. There is not any swar or vowel. When we will add there a swar or vowels, then we will get actual Marathi letters, or in Marathi it's called akshare. Let's see what is that akshare. Like this, here is a k consonants. That's why there is a one slanting line bottom of the alphabets. K plus a vowel or swar is equal to, we get K. It's a full or complete letter, Marathi letter. It's called akshar, and it sounds also K plus A is equal to K. Same just like English letters. Next is a K. How to get K? Let's see. K consonants or Vyanjane here plus A swar is equal to K akshar or K letter, and its sound joined together is K. Same like a G, G, Ch, Ch, Z, Z, N, T, T, D, D, N, T, T, D, D, N, P, P, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, R, Ksh, Ny. We get so many akshare or letters, and all these are akshare or Marathi letters are fully complete. That's why there is not any slanting line at the bottom of alphabet. Here you can see difference between Marathi consonants and Marathi letters, means Vyanjane and akshare. Here you can observe Marathi and Engraji letters. Now next is how to write Marathi letters. First draw big vertical line, then at the middle draw half circle and one more half circle, and the top of the letter there is a big horizontal line. It's called K. K's word is K, L, Sh. You can observe both English and Marathi letters. Next is K. First draw small half circle, join to big half circle, and then join with big vertical line, and at the middle there is a small half circle, and at the top of the letter there is a big horizontal line. It's called a K. Word is khadu. Khadu means chalk in English. Next letter is G. First draw big vertical curl line, and at the bottom there is a one circle, and next to that big vertical line and horizontal line on the top of the letter. It's called G. Word is Ganesha. Next letter is G. Small half circle join to another half circle and draw big vertical line and horizontal line on the top of the letter. It's called G. G's word is Ghar. Observe both words. Next letter is Ch. First draw small horizontal line, then big half circle and draw vertical line, then horizontal line on the top of the letter. It's called ch. Its word is chana. Next letter is ch. First draw small half circle, big half circle, and at the end there is a small circle. Join with small vertical line and horizontal line on the top of the letter. It's called ch. Its word is chagana. Next letter is z. First draw small half circle, join to horizontal line and then join vertical line and draw horizontal line on the top of the letter. It's called z. Word is jatra. Next letter is z. First draw small vertical line and draw English letter S and at the end make a tail like this. In the middle draw horizontal line, small horizontal line, join big with vertical line and horizontal line on the top of the letter. It's called z. Word is zara. Observe both words please. Next letter is t. First draw small vertical line, join with half circle, big half circle and horizontal line on the top. It's called t. Its word is tub. Next is th. One small standing line, join with big circle and one big horizontal line on the top. It's called th. Its word is th, r, k. You can see all spellings also. Next letter is d. Small standing line or vertical line, join with S and horizontal line on the top. It's called d. Its word is s, d, k. See spellings also. After d there is a d. Small vertical line and join with small big half circle and inside circle and horizontal line on the top. It's called dh. Its word is k, dh, e. Observe all letters, Marathi and English also. Next is a n. Draw big half circle just like a oval shape, half oval shape and one big vertical line next to it and one big horizontal line. It's called n. Let's draw letter t. One big vertical line and one horizontal line, one vertical line on the down and one horizontal line on the top also. It's called t. Word is t-na. Then next is th. One small circle, join with half circle and then one big more half circle, join with vertical lines and one horizontal line on the top. It's called th. Its word is k, th, k. Next is a the. Small vertical line, join with half circle and one curved line inside it. Draw just like a tail and big horizontal line on the top. It's called the. Word is p, the, r. Next is a the. Small circle, join with half circle, one more big half circle and join to vertical line, then horizontal line on the top. It's called the. Word is dharana. Next is na. Draw first circle and then horizontal line, join with vertical line and horizontal line on the top. It's called na. Word is na, ma, na. Observe both words, English and Marathi also. Next letter is p. One half circle and join with vertical lines and horizontal line on the top. It's called p. Word is pavana. Draw f. One big vertical line in the middle and both side one standing line, sleeping line, vertical line and horizontal line on the top. It's called f. Word is fana. Next is b. First draw big vertical line like this. Small circle, half circle in the middle and one slanting line in the middle of that half circle. Horizontal line on the top. It's called b. Word is na. Next is b. One small circle, join to slanting line and again take a turn and horizontal line, then vertical line, then join horizontal line on the top. It's called bh. Word is bhajan. Next is ma. One vertical line, then take a turn and horizontal line, then join vertical line, then horizontal line on the top. It's called ma. Word is madana. Next is a ya. One half circle join to big half circle and vertical line, then horizontal line on the top. It's called ya. Word is yamaka. Next is ra. One half circle join to slanting like this and horizontal line on the top. It's called ra. Word is ratha. Next is la. One half circle, down half circle, then one join to another half circle, then vertical line and horizontal line on the top. It's called la. Word is lawasa. Next letter is va. One big vertical line, join big half circle in the middle and then vertical line on the top. It's called va. Word is varana. Next is a sh. One small circle, then half circle, then slanting line, then standing line, vertical line in front, then horizontal line on the top. It's called sh. Word is shani. Next is sh. Just draw like a P. Upward half circle join with vertical lines and one horizontal lines on the top. In the middle of P there is a one slanting line. It's called sh. Next is a s. One half circle, then take a turn and draw slanting line, horizontal line and vertical line and horizontal line on the top. It's called s. Word is samai. Next is a h. Draw half 2s and join it like this, like a chain, and horizontal line on the top. It's called h. Word is hasana. Next is ra. Draw small vertical line and join two circles like this and horizontal line on the top. It's called ra. Word is varana. Next is ksha. One small circle, join yes with the help of, and there is a turn, and in the middle there is a horizontal line, join to vertical line and one horizontal line on the top. It's called cha. Word is nakshatra. And last Marathi letter is ny. First draw j and at the end take a turn and slanting line and horizontal line on the top. It's called ny. Word is yajna.